Now, actor Preity Zinta is back from the United States 10 days after she filed a complaint against ex-boyfriend and business partner Nes Wadia. And with the Mumbai police now all set to record a statement on Tuesday, that is tomorrow, the big question, will the truth behind what really happened at Wankhede Stadium finally emerge?
Actor Preity Zinta returning back to India. Putting an end to all speculation, the actor arriving in India 10 days after she filed a complaint against former boyfriend Nes Wadia. But she refused to answer any questions at the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai.
Preity is back. She is here only to give the statement to the police and help them investigate it further. Now, what I can also tell you is that as far as Preity Zinta is concerned, what we can tell you for sure is that she really was not interested in taking this case as far.
She may have been tight-lipped at the airport.
Excuse me. पूरा मामला है, इसके बारे में कुछ चाहिए। प्रीति कुछ करा इस what are you doing? प्रीति इस मामले में क्या बोले?
But hours later, Preity Zinta issuing a statement on her social networking page, apologizing for not answering media questions. With her version crucial to the proceedings in the case, Mumbai police all set to record Preity Zinta's statement on Tuesday.
The actual investigation in Preity Zinta and Nes Wadia case begins from now. The statement of the victim is the most important piece of evidence or the platform on the basis of which the Mumbai police investigating officer will be able to take the probe further ahead.
She is back from Los Angeles and her statement will prove to be significant for the investigation. And it's just a matter of time before the facts in the case emerge. Bureau Report, Times Now.